Today I will unbox my new router. I bought it from Amazon.com and now I am opening it. Let's start. Only one plastic box is there. There is no box without the main company box. So I bought the eyeball button router, 1200 M smart dual band. What's that? Something is there. Where is the price tag? Let's see it. The price is MRP 5,999 rupees, and I bought from Amazon just only by 999 rupees. It's a little bit hazy. Now it's clear. I bought it just only 999 rupees. You can see this, and the printed price is, what is that? 5,999 rupees. So I got the discount of rupees 5,000. Now let's open it. 3-year warranty. The seal is broken. Oh, very surprisingly. So let's open it. Another seal is also broken. Why? I don't know. Is it a used product or not? Let's see what's inside it. This is the installation guide provided with the box, and this is the main product with 4 antennas. This is the main router with 4 antennas. This is the back side of this router, and this is the connector side. There is one power cable outlet, WPS reset, and Wi-Fi on off button. And this is the connector, and this is the cable. So this is the product, and I will connect it with my previous router and will replace the previous router. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Bye bye.